March 28th, 2019, just after 10 o'clock local time. This is Paul, Kilowatt Whiskey 7 Delta, calling CQ on 20 meters. We're going to see if we can't work them. It's in New Mexico. You heard me. .579. He's in New Mexico. And I'm running 5 watts. So I gave him a 579, I'm a 579. We just worked each other a bit ago as well. It wasn't that long ago. So it's 1020, which is 1420. And we just worked each other a little wee bit ago. So there we go. Running 5 watts out to my dipole. I just worked Paul here again on 14.010. So super QSO once again. With the Xiegu G90 with its latest filtering, updates, everything in the radio, it sure seems to be working well. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors.